What's up YouTubers? Today I'm going to do a product review on the Chartau dual dash cam model T13. When you open up the box, you'll get a thank you card from the company. Inside the card you can redeem a 16GB SD card by sharing your experience online. If you look at the mat, each square represents 1 inch, so you can determine the size of the camera. The lens is not in the middle, so this is going to make a difference in my video when I mount this to my truck. Even when I mounted this action camera, it still shows a sensor to the side. You'll see what I mean later in the video. It comes with 2 mounts. One is a permanent stick-on and the other is a suction mount. The rear camera comes in a 1-inch cube with a mount for either screwing or using a double-sided tape. It also has a charging plug to stick in the old cigarette charger. And of course, the instructions. Personally, it feels this camera was made more for cars rather than trucks. I have a 4-door short bed truck, so I had to put the rear camera at the bottom of the tailgate. Initially I put the camera in the cab, but since it has factory tint, the image was more grainier than having it on the outside. Plus the tailgate was obstructing most of the view. Certain trucks from 2016 to 2018 has an action cam mounted to the right of the rear view mirror. The mount that came with the camera was not compatible, so I had to make a new mount to fit using the existing parts. If you look at the rear view mirror, this big sensor is going to block a small portion of the screen. So now the actual test run. Front view image is not bad. You can actually see the license at a certain distance, maybe about 5 to 6 feet. The resolution is at 1080. The back is really grainy and you can't make out the license too much, but at a certain distance, maybe 3 to 4 feet. The back has a 720 resolution. So I'm gonna give this 4 out of 5 stars because I knew it was $50 and I wasn't expecting much from it. But in a situation, I believe having a camera versus not having one can make a big difference. If you like this video, wait until the end for more links to random videos I do. And don't forget, stay sidetracked.